Hala!
Where are you guys from?
Si Bimpe. Si Bimpe mo nagtanaw. Grabe.
I'm from India.
Okay. Are you sure you guys are from India? Because I am from India.
Hindi ba ka man? Klaro kay ang sinuriya. Pag India kita kay klaro kay ngalayat.
Joke. I'm not.
Are you guys, hold on. Are you guys eating ice cream?
Ano si Bimpe?
Is that ice cream?
Lulun pula. Nungay.
Are you guys eating ice cream?
No.
No.
What is that
Eating
you're
spoon.
eating? Just a spoon, no food. Oh, okay. You want food? Do you want food? Do you guys want
Where
food?
me a food?
Oh, a lot of food there. Yeah. Okay. Well, where are you guys from, by the way?
I'm from Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. Which part in the Philippines?
Mindanao.
Okay, I don't know where is that. Yeah.
Because you are not Filipino.
Nangutan baka niya. Pag-asa niya. Kabalo.
No. I just want to know because I want to visit Philippines someday, like this coming summer.
Summer na kamani doon sa Dilispilo. Okay.
Yeah.
Pero walang po.
Like, don't you guys go to school?
Wala ka sa summer? Wow.
Don't you guys go to school?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Why is that? It's already summer break already? Summer break? No?
Wala pa.
Okay. Alright. Asa mo dapit sa Mindanao man?
Hala! Na! Klaro kong Bisaya.
Grabe, kagalis ko kuya. May Bisaya!
Ati, bukid nun.
Bisaya, Amerika yan.
Hoy, nagpa-India pa ka niya. Kabalo, di kang Bisaya. Grabe juga yung siya.
Kiba ka ba?
Grabe ka daot.
Familiar mong naong iya?
Iya, berarti ko kagpa-India niya. Brutala.
Familiar mong naong.
Kanang ga-vlog mo ko ron ba? Ga-content na appeal mo ba?
Hala, nag-vlog daw siya! Hala nga, ay, pasige mo nang i-post. Hala ka, kabuang.
Ako ano i-post sa page.
Ay,
Basta kay familiar mong naong. Familiar lagi.
Hoy, ayaw mo yung makita kami sa mga mini-skwila.
Doon, makita na yung maestro. Wala man eskwela.
It's okay. I will post this the next day, Saturday.
Laon sa'yo, mong page i-search daw.
Basta na yung page.
I-search
Yung
na.
page siya.
Same rani
Sa
sa
page.
TikTok kaning golden stream. Same rani ako kaning gamit ako karon.
Hala, wag ito
Wala na to, Ben.